Alright, y'all ready?
Dude, get back up. It's gonna pop.
I'm gonna run.
Oh. Tucker, do you need this?
Yeah, go here. Alright. Hand it.
No, do not throw that.
Oh, I'm not throwing this. I'm gonna light it more. I don't think it burned through it.
I'm not getting that close. There it goes. There it goes.
There it goes.
There it is. Let's pop. This one's black. It never blows up.
It hasn't blown up yet.
Hey, let me get it. I got it. Watch out. Tucker, watch out. Oh.
Missed.
Wait a minute. We're gonna get this over with.
She'll poke it.
Dude, I got it. No, I got it. I got it. Dude, look. I gotta hit it.
You miss it, I'm gonna laugh. Ha ha ha. You suck dick.
Wow, we suck.
That was pretty cool.
Dude, this sucks. Oh, damn it.
Joe really sucked at fucking ball. Oh.
Oh my god.
That was cool. Oh shit. Hit the... Throw it.
It's hot. Another rock. Yep. Dude, we suck.
I hit it.
Get the bat out.
The whole top is melted off. Ah! Hot like a Jew!
Here, let me see it. Oh, that was it. I got this.
Ah, that was fucking hot.
God damn.
Dude, you suck so bad. Oh, well, my bad. Just poke it. It's not gonna, like, blow up. Just gonna shoot fire.
Wow, seriously? Oh, nice aim.
Here.
Oh, we gotta just pick that back up.
Dude, don't leave me out here.